Wearable technology has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past few decades, evolving from simple fitness trackers to sophisticated devices that integrate seamlessly into our daily lives. As we look toward the future, the potential for wearable tech is boundless, promising to revolutionize healthcare, enhance personal productivity, and transform how we interact with the world around us. This video explores the evolution of wearable technology and speculates on what lies ahead. The early days of wearable technology. The journey of wearable technology began with rudimentary devices designed for specific tasks. The first notable wearable was the calculator watch introduced in the 1970s. Although limited in functionality, it represented a significant leap in integrating technology into everyday accessories. The 1980s saw the emergence of portable music with the Sony Walkman, which, while not a wearable in the modern sense, set the stage for personal portable tech. The real turning point came in the early 2000s with the advent of fitness trackers. Devices like the Fitbit, introduced in 2009, began the trend of monitoring physical activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns. These devices cater to a growing market of health-conscious consumers eager to track and improve their fitness levels. The rise of smartwatches. The introduction of the smartwatch marked a significant milestone in the evolution of wearable technology. Early attempts, such as the Microsoft Smartwatch watch, had limited success, but the landscape changed dramatically with the launch of the Apple Watch in 2015. Apple's entry into the market brought wearable technology to the mainstream, offering a device that combined fitness tracking, notifications, and a multitude of apps into a sleek, stylish design. Smartwatches have since become increasingly sophisticated, with companies like Samsung, Garmin, and Fitbit offering advanced models. These devices now include features such as GPS tracking, ECG monitoring, blood oxygen levels, and even fall detection. The integration of voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant has further enhanced their utility, allowing users to perform tasks hands-free. The integration of health and wellness. One of the most promising developments in wearable technology is its integration with health and wellness. Beyond simple fitness tracking, wearables are now capable of providing detailed health insights and even predicting medical conditions. The Apple Watch Series 6, for example, includes a blood oxygen sensor and ECG app that can detect irregular heart rhythms. Wearables are increasingly being used in medical research and patient care. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMs, for diabetes management, like the Dexcom G6, allow for real-time blood sugar monitoring without the need for finger pricks. Smart clothing with embedded sensors can monitor vital signs and physical activity, providing valuable data for athletes and patients alike. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, represent the next frontier for wearable technology. Devices like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive have already made significant strides in the gaming and entertainment industries. However, the potential applications of AR and VR extend far beyond these realms. AR glasses, such as Google Glass and Microsoft HoloLens, overlay digital information onto the real world, enhancing our ability to interact with our environment. These devices have applications in fields ranging from education and training to healthcare and remote work. Imagine surgeons using AR glasses to access patient data and guides during operations, or remote workers collaborating in a shared virtual space. Fashion and wearable tech. As wearable technology becomes more advanced, it is also becoming more integrated with fashion. Companies are increasingly focusing on the aesthetic aspects of their devices, creating wearables that are not only functional but also stylish. Smart jewelry like the Oura Ring tracks health metrics while looking like a high-end accessory. Collaborations between tech companies and fashion brands are becoming more common. For example, the partnership between Fitbit and luxury brand Tory Burch resulted in fitness trackers that double as fashionable bracelets. The future may see even more seamless integration of technology into everyday clothing and accessories, making wearables an integral part of our daily attire. Advanced health monitoring and neurotechnology. The future of wearable technology is incredibly promising, with several emerging trends poised to reshape the industry. Advanced health monitoring is set to evolve significantly, with future wearables likely to include non-invasive glucose monitoring, hydration tracking, and early disease detection through biomarkers. These advancements will enable better management of health conditions and proactive healthcare. Additionally, neurotechnology represents a groundbreaking area, with companies like Neuralink developing brain-computer interfaces that could revolutionize communication and control by directly interacting with the brain. This could lead to unprecedented advancements in how we interact with technology and each other, offering new ways to enhance cognitive and physical abilities. Energy harvesting and seamless integration. Energy harvesting is expected to address the persistent challenge of battery life in wearable devices. Future wearables may incorporate technologies such as solar cells and kinetic energy generators to extend battery life and reduce the need for frequent recharging. This development will make wearables more convenient and reliable for users, supporting longer and more intensive usage. Wearables will also become more seamlessly integrated into our lives, with devices that are smaller, lighter, and more comfortable. The integration of flexible electronics and smart fabrics will enable the creation of wearables that can be embedded directly into clothing, making them an unobtrusive part of daily attire. Personalization and security. Artificial intelligence will play a crucial role in the future of wearables. Algorithms will analyze the vast amounts of data collected by these devices to provide personalized insights and recommendations, helping users achieve their health and wellness goals. This will enhance the user experience by offering tailored advice based on individual data. However, as wearables become more advanced, ensuring privacy and data security will become paramount. Companies will need to develop robust security measures to protect user data and ensure that it is used responsibly, addressing concerns about privacy and maintaining user trust in these innovative technologies. The role of wearable technology in sports. Wearable technology is revolutionizing sports by providing athletes and coaches with real-time data to enhance performance and prevent injuries. Devices such as smartwatches, heart rate monitors, and GPS trackers enable detailed analysis of training sessions and competitions. Advanced wearables can track metrics like speed, distance, and biomechanics, offering insights that were previously unattainable. This data helps in customizing training programs, monitoring recovery, and identifying potential risks, ultimately leading to improved performance and longevity in sports careers. Wearable technology in everyday life. Beyond health and fitness, wearable technology is increasingly becoming a part of our everyday lives. Smartwatches and fitness trackers have made it easier to stay connected and manage daily tasks, from receiving notifications to making payments. Wearables like smart rings and bracelets are also gaining popularity for their discrete functionality. These devices can track activity levels, sleep patterns, and even act as security tokens for digital authentication. As technology advances, the integration of wearables into our daily routines will continue to grow, making life more convenient and connected. Conclusion: the evolution of wearable technology has been nothing short of remarkable, transitioning from basic fitness trackers to sophisticated, multifunctional devices. As we look to the future, the advancements in health monitoring, neurotechnology, energy harvesting, and AI-driven personalization are set to revolutionize how we live and interact with technology. The seamless integration of wearables into our daily attire and the ongoing focus on privacy and security will ensure that these innovations not only enhance our lives, but also maintain our trust. The potential of wearable technology is boundless, and its future is brighter than ever. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the future of wearable technology. We hope you found the information enlightening and are as excited about the future of wearables as we are. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos.